Morne Rouge in Grenada. The waters off the shores of Morne Rouge feature some of the best spots for snorkeling on the island of Grenada. Arrive prepared to spend your day at the beach splashing around in clear, calm, shallow waters without the likes of the crowd that you may find at a more popular beach like Grand Anse. Positioned in the vicinity of St. George's, Morne Rouge Beach is on the southwest edge of Grenada. You should consider stopping by whether or not you're staying very close. Although planning a vacation means you'll make lots of choices, choosing a beach that suits your family could be one of the most important. Grenada is full of fun options, like Morne Rouge Beach. The calm clear waters of Morne Rouge Beach are shallow and warm, making this small and secluded beach one of the warmest shores on Grenada. There are plenty of areas shaded by trees, and because the beach is backed by a couple of hotels, beach chairs and umbrellas can easily be procured. This beach has public restrooms, something you'll appreciate if you spend more than a couple of hours here. Fortunately, the water here is of good snorkeling quality, so purchase or rent some equipment if you want to check out what lies beneath the surface. The shores of this quiet little beach are less frequented than many of Grenada's more popular beaches, so the atmosphere is peaceful and relaxing. Beachgoers with children will also find the swimming conditions here excellent for young ones. Still, try to remember that even if there will be at least one or two amenities on location while at Morne Rouge Beach, it will be located inside an area commonly frequented by travelers. With that in mind, if you know that the amenities can make or break a good time, it'll likely be a smart reason to make it there earlier in the day before most of the crowds fill up, or perhaps try a beach further away. If you arrive later, you could miss the opportunity to completely enjoy all the amenities that this beach offers its guests. Like us and join us at Extreme Collections for more fun and knowledge.